Negative thoughts ruining your day? Try this 3-second brain hack to stop them cold. The 3-second trick to stop negative thoughts. Negative thoughts can creep into our minds at any moment, draining our energy, lowering our confidence, and sabotaging our happiness. Whether it's self-doubt, anxiety, or past regrets, these intrusive thoughts can feel overwhelming. But what if there was a simple, instant way to break free from them? Recent psychological research and mindfulness practices suggest a powerful 3-second trick that can interrupt negative thought patterns before they spiral out of control. This technique is not about suppressing emotions, but rather redirecting the mind toward a more constructive state. How the 3-second trick works. The method is straightforward. 1. Acknowledge the thought. 1 second. As soon as a negative thought arises, recognize it without judgment. Say to yourself, "This is just a thought, not a fact." 2. Interrupt with a distraction. 1 second. Quickly shift your focus to a physical sensation, e.g., clenching and releasing your fist, tapping your fingers, or taking a deep breath. 3. Replace with a positive or neutral statement. 1 second. Immediately follow up with a short, empowering phrase like, "I choose peace. This too shall pass. I am in control of my mind." By doing this in just 3 seconds, you disrupt the brain's tendency to dwell on negativity and rewire it toward resilience. Why this trick works. 1. It breaks the cycle of rumination. Negative thoughts often loop because the brain gets stuck in repetitive patterns. The 3-second intervention acts like a mental reset button, preventing overthinking. 2. It engages the logical brain. Emotional reactions are processed in the amygdala, while logical thinking happens in the prefrontal cortex. By consciously redirecting your thoughts, you activate the rational part of your brain, reducing emotional intensity. 3. It builds mental discipline. Like a muscle, the mind strengthens with practice. The more you use this trick, the easier it becomes to dismiss negativity automatically. Scientific backing studies in cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and mindfulness support this approach. Research shows that brief mental interruptions can prevent anxiety spirals. Similarly, neuroplasticity confirms that consistent mental redirection can weaken negative neural pathways over time. When to use the 3-second trick. This technique works best for sudden self-doubt before a presentation, replaying past mistakes, catastrophizing about the future, comparing yourself to others. For deep-seated trauma or chronic anxiety, professional therapy is still essential. However, for everyday negativity, this trick is a game changer. Final thought. Negative thoughts are inevitable, but they don't have to control you. By mastering this 3-second mental switch, you take back your power one thought at a time. The next time negativity strikes, remember, acknowledge, interrupt, replace. In just 3 seconds, you can change your mindset and reclaim your peace. As Marcus Aurelius reminds us, your life's happiness is determined by the quality of your thinking. Would you try this trick? Let us know in the comments.